Ladies and gentlemen, let me start by asking you a simple question. How many hours did you waste today? Be honest with yourself. Scrolling on your phone, checking notifications, watching just one more episode, or promising yourself, I will start tomorrow. We live in a world that is louder, faster, and more distracting than any time in human history. Our attention span is shrinking, our focus is dying, and the most people are living their lives in reaction instead of intention. But here is the truth, the people who win in this distracted world are not the most talented, not the smartest, not even the luckiest. The people who win are the ones who build discipline. Think about it. Why do some people wake up every morning, work out, build businesses, learn skills, and achieve success, while others, with the same opportunities, stay stuck? It's not motivation. Motivation fades. It's not inspiration. Inspiration comes and goes. It's not even talent. Talent without consistency is wasted. The difference is discipline. Discipline means doing what you said you would do long after the feeling in which you said it has left you. But here is the challenge, discipline is not sexy. Netflix is sexy. TikTok is addictive. Scrolling endlessly feels good in the moment. Buying things you don't need gives you a rush. Sleeping in feels comfortable. But discipline, waking up early, eating clean when your friends are ordering fast food, studying when your mind wants to wander, investing money instead of spending it. Discipline does not feel good in the moment, but it feels incredible in the long run because every small act of discipline today builds a foundation of freedom tomorrow. Let's be real. America is drowning in distractions. The average American spends over 3 hours a day on their phone. That's more than 45 full days a year wasted on meaningless scrolling. Imagine what you could do with that time. You could build a business, you could learn a new skill, you could get in the best shape of your life, you could repair broken relationships, you could change your life. But instead, many of us are trading our dreams of dopamine hits. And I get it, it's not easy. Your brain is wired from comfort. It wants the path of least resistance. It whispers, relax, take it easy, do it later. But discipline is about controlling your mind before it controls you. Discipline is saying, I don't need to check my phone first thing in the morning. I don't need to watch 3 episodes when I said I did watch one. I don't need to spend $200 on things that will not matter next week. It's about breaking the chain of distractions and regaining control of your life. Let me share something powerful with you. Successful people are not always more gifted, they are simply more consistent. While others are partying, they are working. While others are sleeping, they are training. While others are wasting time, they are building. And over months and years and decades, discipline compounds. So, how do you build discipline in a distracted world? Here are 3 steps you can start today. If you keep junk food in your house, you will eat it. If you keep toxic apps on your phone, you will use them. Set up your life so success becomes easier and failure becomes harder. Don't try to change your whole life overnight. Begin with one habit. Wake up 30 minutes earlier. Exercise for 15 minutes. Read 10 pages. It's not about intensity, it's about consistency. Discipline will feel uncomfortable. Your brain will resist. But remember, comfort is the enemy of growth. Every time you push past discomforts, you become so. Every time you push past discomforts, you become stronger. Friends, hear me on this. Discipline is freedom. Freedom from being controlled by your impulses. Freedom from regret. Freedom from wasted potential. Because one day you are going to wake up and realize time is gone. The hours you wasted would not come back. The opportunities you ignored would not return. The life you could have built will only exist in your imagination. But if you build discipline, you would not just dream, you will live it. So I leave you with this. When the world is full of distractions, when everyone else is wasting time, when your mind tells you, not today, maybe tomorrow, that is the exact moment you need discipline the most. Because in a world of distractions, discipline is your superpower. And if you can master it, nothing, and I mean nothing, can stop you. Thank you.